approved by Health Canada and has helped thousands of patients rebuild their lives and actually love life again. Call me for a free consultation. Go to tmsofcanada.com. There's hope.
680 News Time 7:21.
Traffic and weather together on the ones brought to you by Hire the Gardener in the 680 Cruiser. Carrie Prunskis.
Eastbound on the 401, you'll find a slow drive through the city. Backed up from the 427 to Weston and the Express. Delays continue to east of Keele and the Collectors. And then it's busy from Dufferin to east of the Allen and the Express. That's where the right lane is partially blocked. A collision here with tow truck on the scene. Westbound on the 401, some delays through Durham. A minor slowdown from the 412 to approaching Salem. Then traffic is quite heavy in Scarborough from Markham Road to west of Kennedy in the Express and to Victoria Park in the Collectors. And very busy from west of the Allen Express and Collectors to approaching Dixon. That's where you're going through some lane realignment for construction. From the traffic center, here's Craig Gear.
A heavy go on the